Starting a blog can feel overwhelming, but with the right strategy, you can go from zero to earning your first $1,000. Your niche is the foundation of your blog. Choose a topic you're passionate about with earning potential. Conduct research to identify niches with high demand and low competition. Examples include finance, wellness, and travel. A professional blog builds trust. Choose a platform like WordPress.org, buy a domain and hosting, and design your blog. Your content should solve problems and be engaging. Publish consistently to establish a solid content base. Traffic is essential for monetization. Utilize social media, master SEO, and engage in email marketing. Earn your first $1,000 through affiliate marketing, display ads, selling digital products, and sponsored content. Track your progress using Google Analytics. Focus on high-performing topics and collaborate with other bloggers. Lisa started a parenting blog in 2022 and earned her first $1,000 in 5 months through affiliate links. Achieving your first $1,000 from blogging is possible with the right mindset and consistency. Start today.